Good morning, welcome back to the Audiofile-Incar. Today it's a BMW M8 competition. It's got Bowers and Wilkins audio fitted to it, which my customer liked, but he felt it was lacking in bass. So he added some very serious bass in the form of two of the very new, very fantastic Wavtech 12-inch slimline subwoofers. So look at those. We've designed it so you can have the seats folded down if you want that extra bass, where you can fold the seats up so you'll have plenty of bass, but without anything showing. So these two Wavtech subwoofers, there's some incredible technology in there. They're hitting the industry by storm at the moment. It's 2024 and everybody that's playing with them is absolutely loving them, us included. So we've not only got the two Wavtech 12-inch subs there, but we've got two Wavtech 1000-watt monoblock amps on the back of the enclosure. It's a completely custom built enclosure, so as you can see, we've made it to fit exactly, and we've made the little side cheeks and everything, so everything's trimmed in and looking as it's supposed to be. We've also soundproofed the front doors just to reduce the road noise and improve the acoustics of the doors, which again will help those factory Bowers and Wilkins speakers sound even better than they do. Just show you in the back of the car. Let's just get in here. And we've got the Wavtech boxes, the 2000-watt amplifier boxes, the two subwoofer boxes, and what you can't see is the subwoofer because they're completely behind this beauty panel, so really nice and discreet. So you open the boot, you can't see anything at all. We've put some machine inserts and some little Allen keys there, so if you want to take it apart you can do, to access the amplifiers, and they're both bolted across the back there, so they've got lots of ventilation behind that panel. So there you go. It's a crazy man that owns this car, but he's going to love the bass, because it is absolutely insane. It literally shakes you to pieces. When you breathe in, it makes your nose fluctuate. It's very, very good. Sorry for the lack of content lately. We've had a few technical issues, and the last two videos we posted had no sound. That's a big problem. So we're probably going to put some sound over those and repost them because the cars are gone now. But there you go. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got a BMW or any other car and you fancy a ridiculous amount of bass, you know where to come.